The concept of pure plant life emerged from early agricultural societies, where the cultivation of crops and domestication of plants significantly influenced human civilization. This idea originated in ancient Mesopotamia around 8500 BCE, coinciding with the establishment of the first known irrigation systems to support agriculture in the fertile crescent region. As humans began to experiment with plant genetics and selective breeding practices, they developed a wide variety of crops that met their nutritional needs and required minimal maintenance. The earliest significant advancements occurred during the Neolithic Revolution around 10,000 BCE, when hunter-gatherer societies transformed into settled agrarian communities dependent on agriculture. This period saw the cultivation of staple grains such as wheat, barley, and rice, which provided a stable food supply and allowed for population growth. The domestication of crops like cotton, soybeans, maize, and potatoes further diversified diets and supported urbanization. Key developments in pure plant life included the Green Revolution initiated in the 1940s, leading to increased agricultural productivity through breeding more resilient crop varieties and improved irrigation techniques. This revolution doubled global cereal production by the mid-20th century. However, it also resulted in environmental degradation due to intensive farming practices, including deforestation for cultivation and reliance on chemical fertilizers. Despite these drawbacks, pure plant life has delivered numerous societal benefits, such as reduced malnutrition rates and improved food security in many regions worldwide. It has been estimated that modern agriculture now feeds about 70% of the global population, largely due to innovations like genetically modified organisms, GMOs, which have contributed to increased yields. Looking ahead to 2050, it is projected that climate change will pose significant challenges for agricultural productivity, necessitating continued advancements in plant science and sustainable farming practices. Additionally, there may be a growing demand for specialty crops driven by dietary trends toward health-conscious eating habits. As such, future developments in pure plant life should focus on developing resilient crop varieties capable of thriving under changing environmental conditions, while remaining economically viable for farmers worldwide.